How to add shortcut. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add shortcut on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, go to a conversation you want. Choose a specific conversation. Now all you need to do is click on the profile icon beside the video call icon. And here all you need to do is click on your contact profile icon. Now once you click, you're gonna find those 3 points up there. All you need to do is click on shortcut now. And now they're gonna tell you to wait for a second to add shortcut. Once it's already added, you're gonna find shortcut created. And this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.